Hi, I'm Jake. Today I'm going to show you my one of art paintings. As I said, the title is A Frightened Lion. And there it is. But there's no video of painting process. I have just only 3 images for that. I painted using only a computer. But I didn't want to paint my works that the other people will see as it looks like digital feeling. I wanted to draw with watercolor or colored pencil or pastel, but I didn't. It wasn't easy for me because I'm not used to it. So instead, I spent a lot of time studying digital painting techniques to look like traditional works. Okay, let's start it. There's a lion, the king of animals. Do you know the story that many people were curious about? Who will be the winner if a lion and a tiger fight? As I know, the tiger wins. But the lion lives in the grassland and the tiger lives in the jungle. So they can see each other until met in the zoo. The lion went into the jungle and says, "Oh, it's too wet, too dark, too a strange sound. Oh, no, I'm the king of animals, but I'm a little scared." Think about it, he's the king of grassland, but he's just a stranger in the jungle. Everyone can be scared, even a lion. By chance, I sketched the face of a frightened lion, and I imagined how it would feel if it was the first time in the jungle, and I drew this picture. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe and press the like button. Bye.